Hello my friends, I'm Majid Sai and we are teaching the jewelry design, or better said gold design for you my friends. Okay, in this lesson we are teaching a gold ring. Gold ring look like a flower and a leaf, with a leaf, excuse me. And I designed some of part of this gold ring in advance because I want to teaching faster for you, but I trying to show everything, and I'm trying to you are completely understand. But in the future, when the teaching is end, if you have any question, if you have any problem in drawing, designing, 3D modeling this model, or every problem, you can contact us, comment it in YouTube, or contacting connecting with us in a Telegram or Instagram and WhatsApp. Okay, we have a ordering. Okay, we have a picture of this ordering. I designed this flower in advance. Okay, look like this picture. We are drawing the curve of this leaf, and in advance we are drawing a golden size, and then extruding in a surface, and smashing the surface. We have this green smashed surface, and then drawing this leaf and the other part of this gold ring on this green base. Okay, we are installing this leaf curve. Okay, we're resizing and moving and installing in the best place. Yeah, we're moving to the best place. I want to this leaf have a nice place and nice size. I changing. Yes, we are control point on. We are clicking on control point on. Okay, we're good to surface and yeah, planar surface, and our leaf have a surface. Make a surface with the curve of our leaf, and then piping the curve of in the center of the leaf for detailed leaf. I want to this part is look like better, and better look like to leaf. Okay, we are drawing that. The piping in a start is low radius, and in the end is more radius. For example, in the start is 0.07, and in the end, for example, have a 0.2 or 3. It's based of your design, or based of your size of design. Yes. We are flying along the surface for testing how it look like, how the view, the size. Okay, we are want to compare this designed part with the green flower. Okay, I changed it, and again flung along the surface. It's better than, and I piping. Yeah, piping this 1 millimeter, and bigger in the end. Okay, we delete that and then flying along the surface to compare this part with the green flower. Yeah, for full along the surface, this part, you first clicking on the part you decide to fill along the surface. You click on a part and then going to the transform and click on a flow along the surface, and then click on a base, green base, and then enter, and in the command bar show the target. You can click on a gray base, the gray circle base, and then enter. You can in this way you can fill along the surface everything on a smashed base surface. Smashed surface, smashed base surface is in here is a green, okay, and the base surface is a dark green. Base surface dark green means the circle base surface dark green is a circle, but smashed is you can see now. Is a light green. Light green surface is a smashed base surface, and the dark green surface is unsmashed, is a circle surface, a circle base surface. Okay, it's yes, ring size. Okay, piping and then editing and resizing to get the best design, to get the best view of the ring. We should to designing nice best, excuse me, get a better view. Yeah, it's not good. We're changing the pipe, and when we design it, we are selecting the all and then create a mesh files with the tools. Yes, and then clicking on a meshed file and click on a file, export file selected, and then save it. When you mesh this file and save it in a STL form, you can go to the ZBrush and open the STL of your file. In future we are teaching you a ZBrush. We are teaching a matrix, Rhino, ZBrush, keyshot for render. Okay, you can upload in this file, STL file, and then click on a draw edit, and then make a polymesh 3D. This icon make a polymesh 3D in a tools, in a right of your hand in the software, in the top, make a polymesh 3D and click on that, and then click going to geometric, going to the dynamesh, click on a dynamesh under your resolution. In the under of the dynamesh, this icon is the resolution. In here we are occurring in a resolution 528, and click on a dynamesh. Okay, then you can edit in your file in this way. Yeah, click on a standard. You can softening or editing your file in this way. You want to, yes, you can change the Z intensity. Yes, for example 2 is allow, and 20 or 50 or 100 is very more intensity. Yeah, we are softening border of this gold the flower. Yeah, it has a better view when we are softening and editing. Yeah, if you like to, we're teaching the ZBrush, tell us, comment in the YouTube or Instagram. Tell us that in future we are putting the video about the teaching of the ZBrush. ZBrush is a good software for 3D modeling, but not very powerful. It look like a matrix, but it's good. You're softening, and in part of this flower you can drawing some detail, look like that. If you want to teaching special things, for example, we are teaching gold service or gold ring, for example Cartier gold ring or Versace gold ring or everything. You can contact us, you can tell us comments, or tell us in a channel YouTube, or tell us in Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, every way. You can tell us what the type of the gold accessory or everything, and if you want, we are teaching everything in the future. For example, designing a building, for example, or car, a special car. Yeah, I love the cars. We are designing a Volvo, Mercedes. If you want, we can teaching about that. Okay. In the end, when we are drawing, yeah, look like a real flower. Finishing that, you can importing your file from the ZBrush to the matrix in the end and designing nice. Thank you for watching.